How to fix Telegram phone number flood. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can fix the phone number flood on Telegram. Let me explain to you guys what that is first. The phone number flood happens when you try to request too many codes to Telegram. So when you are logging into your account, if you are requesting code multiple times, then you will be getting the phone number flood. So to reduce that or to fix that, what you need to do now is check your internet connection. You might not be getting the code because you don't have a stable connection right now. So for that, you just need to swipe down to your notification panel and then turn on mobile data if you're on Wi-Fi network. Once you've done that, you can try to request the code again. And then from here, if you're on mobile data, try switching back to Wi-Fi. So once you've done that, your phone number flood should stop and you should get your code. But if it's still not stopping, or if it's still causing the issue, then in that case, you first need to head over to Telegram, long press on it, and then click on the I button at the top right. And once you've done that, you just want to force stop the app completely. So if there are any background requests going on, it will stop them completely. And then from here, head over to storage, clear cache, and you should be good to go. After doing this, your phone number flood should stop and you should be able to log into your account. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.